honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going so-so. I still got this wheeze in my throat. It's not in my lungs. And I got a slight cough, an unproductive cough. So I've been taking my temp. Don't have a fever. I've been drinking a lot of hot liquids, hot tea, lemon water. So now I'm fixing me some breakfast. It's 5:48 p.m. Fixing some sausage, waffles, and a boiled egg. So I'll be back when it's ready. I got 3 waffles in here. I put it on the toast setting, and it's done now. Okay, we'll go over here to the air fryer. I set it on the fish setting. I think that was for 8 minutes at 350. So I got these were frozen sausage patties. I think I got them from Aldi. And I had some boiled eggs in the refrigerator. Let me see. I just sliced this. I'm gonna let it finish. I'll be back when everything is done. At the end of 3 minutes. Okay, y'all, here's my breakfast for dinner. Got MzBrazell syrup on here, 2 sausage patties, and 1 boiled egg. Let me show you this thing over my sink. Here's my rack over my sink. So I took that mat off the counter. I was able to move this air fryer over some. So I got all this space between the air fryers. So I like that it freed up space. Okay, I want to thank you all for watching this little short video. And to let you know how I was doing, I want to thank you all who've prayed for me. So, right now I think it's a cold, so I don't know. But I'm staying in the house, and I'm about to go get my eat on because I'm hungry. Okay, you all have a very blessed day. Give me a thumbs up for this video. And continue to pray for me. Thank you. Bye.